What's up, YouTube? Today I got another unboxing for you guys. I'm at work, but I just couldn't wait. I got these in yesterday and I had no time to make a video, so I couldn't wait. I just had to do it, so I'm doing it at work. We're in the car. Man, check that. These are a crazy one. I don't know when the release is or what they're gonna be retailing for, but this is the second iteration of a shoe. The first one was a crazy performer and one of those shoes that I thought probably should have been the replacement for the Hyperdunk. And matter of fact, you could probably get the first iteration of the shoe for mad cheap right now, probably way under the $75 mark if you go to your local Nike store. There's our outside box. There's our regular Nike box. And this is the Nike Zoom Rize 2. Crazy. I'm very excited. Let me put these somewhere where you guys can see. I'm at work. I'm trying to keep the work logo out of the frame going forward. It might be a little bit hard, but there you go. So I got these in a black. Look at that, crazy. I know all the lighting's always weird in the car, but it's a black and it's a Volt, Nike signature Volt colorway. And so let's take a look at that traction. So it's another pressure mapping, just like in the Nike Zoom BB. And we are decoupled on the outsole. Very crazy. It's a torsion plate. It feels just like a regular plastic torsion plate, but it wraps and it connects all the way to our Zoom bubble. Pretty cool design feature, I think. You can see that pressure mapping. The space between the pieces of rubber is crazy big, so I'm expecting some really good traction, just like the Zoom BB. There's our upper. So it feels like a rip stop. Honestly, it feels super cheapy. Like I'm thinking this is gonna be like the low hundreds, maybe 130, 120, around that mark. That's honestly what the material's making me think of. Regular traditional Nike basketball laces, nothing crazy. It's fused right here for the Nike sign. There's this weird little texture that we got on the Zoom BB. And it's pretty much the same color. It's like exactly the same colorway. The foam here, it's pretty firm, but it's fairly soft. Super padded in the collar here. You guys can see. I'll show you the inside. Look at that. Tons of padding. I think that's the way Nike is going with these team shoes. They're doing a ton of padding in the collar and behind the heel. Stick around for the end of the videos, guys. I'm gonna do a on foot and we'll talk a little bit about how this fits. The last one, super true to size. Or not the last one, but the Zoom BB NXT. Is that what it's called? Whatever it's called, I will link that video in the description down below so you guys can take a look. I have a performance review and an unboxing on that. But yeah, from the side view, these actually look really crazy and impressive. In hand, it feels like a team shoe, like a basic team shoe. But I know that the grip is going to be crazy and the cushioning. On the first one, it was crazy. So this, I'm expecting the same thing. Some really good cushion. This material, it's like a mesh ripstop. Super not premium, but it should get the job done really good, especially with all the padding that's inside this shoe. And it's a traditional tongue. It's not attached. It's attached halfway down. in here, so it's attached to the footbed. Pretty cool. It should keep it in place and not moving. Tongue says Zoom Rize 2. Nothing crazy. There is the other pair. I'm pretty excited about these. I'll get a performance review out for these. I got about 5 more shoes in the works. I'll try to do 2 a week. I will see if I can get in at my local 24-hour fitness if they're open. So let me know what you guys think about these. Are you gonna get these? Are you guys gonna pick these up? I'm already loving them as far as a team shoe. As long as they come in at the right price, I think they should be a great shoe for everybody. And if you like the content, guys, if you want to see the performance review on these, subscribe down below, and thanks for watching. All right, so this is the portion of the video where I struggle to put it on, and we just talk about the fit, kind of. So little thing that I didn't mention in the unboxing, I really didn't notice, but you'll see it in this video really well. Half the outsole is just like a navy blue, and I know there's like a tab on the back. I missed that too. It's also a navy blue, so a little bit of a departure from the Nike Zoom BB NXT, but just about the same colorway. And then there's that navy blue, so a weird touch. I kind of like it. I do like when they split shoes 2 different colors, so that's really nice. But yeah, so onto the fit. As you can see, it's a little weird. It's a traditional lacing system. It just felt funny to me. I guess I've been using so many different ones lately. I did go up half a size from my normal Nike size. The width in the midfoot is actually really good. It fit just about perfect, no extra space. The toe box, the width on that there was a bit of space. So my wide footers, definitely you want to go up half a size. As far as length goes, not like the Zoom BB NXT. I was almost right at the edge, a lot less space, tip of the toe there. So if you guys had that, you'll definitely know what the fit is like. But yeah, so you could definitely get away with going up half a size. If you guys go true to size on this, it'll be a really snug fit. I'm having them on. The materials are pretty stiff, but not like they withhold you from doing anything. The cushion, it's fairly firm right now, just stepping around. The Zoom, you can feel it a little bit. It just feels a little bit less dense than the cushion surrounding it. Nothing crazy, not super bouncy or anything, but it is thick enough that it should take all the impact that most jumpers do. So really good. I like it. Doesn't feel flat, or like it feels flat, not like it tapers off. So it should be a really good cushion. I think it'll break in, so we'll see going forward. And yeah, let me know what you guys think. Thanks for watching.